Today I'd like to introduce you to a kit I just finished creating called Gardens to Go. It's got 18 activities for elementary age children to do related to gardening and also related to horticulture in general and a little bit of insects. So everything you need is in this kit except for basic stuff like some glue and scissors and crayons. And when you open it up, you'll see that there's an instruction book along with a bunch of goodies. All right, everything fits in here, all 18 activities. So each activity comes with instructions and a list of supplies needed, so you know exactly what you need before you start the activity. You can do them in any order you want. Some of them are pretty quick, so this is perfect for like grandkids that go over to the grandparents for half an afternoon, or cousins camp, or if you want to use this as like a little science enrichment for school. So you're doing everything from soaking lima beans to cool stuff like learning about papyrus and where it came from. And then you get to decorate your own papyrus bookmark with actual hieroglyphics that you'll learn about. And this, you'll learn later, it says "Go Pokes." There's also a little greenhouse in there with little pellets you can soak and grow your own basil, which is the seeds are included. You can learn how to make a hamburger and talk about how all the ingredients go back to plants. We've got stuff like an insect life cycle, an insect sucker, leaf rubbings. You can learn about the parts of a flower. And then there's some little fun stuff like this is a tagua nut from the rainforest, and you get to draw on it. It's actually called vegetable ivory, and you get to have your own little piece. So again, everything you need is in the kit except for basic craft supplies. This is a really cool thing you can do with your kids or grandkids during summer when you have breaks, when you want to do a little bit of school, and everything you need is in the kit. So if you know a kid who really likes nature, a Gardens to Go kit will be right up their alley. And here's information on how to purchase your own.
We hope you enjoyed this video. It's part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on our OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.